Hey, if you want to set up and turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your Huawei Watch Fit SE, first of all, you will have to turn on the screen and then swipe down to open the settings. Now from here, you will have to actually scroll down until you locate the Do Not Disturb mode. And right now, you can turn it on for the whole day by simply clicking on the switcher, and then it will be actually turned on all the time. But when you click on it and turn it off, you can also set the schedule. So for example, we can click here and customize the start time. So you can change the time. Also the end time. Click OK to confirm, and the repeat. So let's say that I want to only get it for Friday. I have to click OK one more time, and now I can turn it on, and now it will be actually available from the 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. on the Friday. And also we can add other schedule. So when you turn on your screen, you can actually do the same and add another rule into your Do Not Disturb mode. And also we can quickly turn it on and off by opening this quick panel. Okay, for some reason it is actually not available right now, so we'll have to go into the Do Not Disturb mode and turn it on and off right here by tapping on the switcher. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.